Welcome to the Ancestrally Healed Kitchen, where I teach you my tricks, tips, and secrets to how I live an optimal life. What I love is that in this meal, it has all the bioavailable vitamins and nutrients that you need to be able to recover well. This is an easy go-to meal that's perfect for if you're animal-based, if you're primal, if you're carnivore, and depending on what ingredients you like to use, you can always add some or remove some. But in this case, I'm doing a very basic recipe, so I doubt you're gonna wanna remove anything. Let me show you how I do it. For today, all the ingredients that you're going to need is anywhere between a half to a pound of ground beef. I am using 6 whole eggs, and I'm going to do 1 extra egg yolk to make 7 eggs in this recipe. I'm also going to use a Norwegian flaky sea salt, which I recently stumbled across, and I am obsessed because it has the lowest lead and heavy metal count out of any multi-mineral salt I've come by so far. And to be able to add extra nutrition into our meal, we're going to cook in grass-fed and finished beef suet tallow. Well, enough talking about all this amazing food. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to be cooking with a stainless steel pan. And if you're not familiar with cooking with stainless, it's actually extremely easy. But if you're not familiar with it, it could be a little difficult because things can stick. Let me show you how to make stainless non-stick. The secret to do that is you got to get it hot. Let's start the fire. So now that my pan is heating up, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get all my ingredients ready for cooking. Let's begin by cracking these eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last I'm going to get rid of the egg whites so I could get just the yolk. Perfect. Next step is we are going to mix. And just in case, if while you're cracking your eggs you had any eggshells that went into your batter, please make sure to pick them out. Once your pan is non-stick, when you drop some water on it, bounce around, and now you could see that it is not stick. Add our tallow to the pan. After we turn the heat down just a little bit because we don't want to fry, we just want to keep it non-stick and we don't want to overcook. Next we will add our beef. Then we will add some salt. When I cook on stainless, I like to use a wooden spoon. And what we're going to do right now is we are going to start to cook the ground beef. And when the ground beef is about rare to medium, we'll then add in the eggs and we'll finish cooking them. Continue to cook for the next couple minutes and continuously stir to make sure that you are cooking it to your desired temperature. Next, you're going to add in your eggs. When it comes to cooking eggs in a stainless steel pan, you want to let it cook a little bit before you start to move it, and that's a secret to make it stay non-stick. So look, still no sticking, and then I'm going to let that go for a minute and get another bit of a crust. And just like that, it's done. This is one of my favorite go-to meals after the gym, first thing in the morning, if I want a snack. And the best part is it's got everything you need. It's all bioavailable nutrients from your eggs, from your beef. If you're gonna try this, please subscribe and like. The best part is my kids love it and they call it a Bioavailable. Nutritious, delicious, made of whole animal foods, real bioavailable ingredients that will make you the most optimal version of yourself. Check out this recipe. The meat and egg bowl. Doesn't look the prettiest, but boy does it taste good.